Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. This video will feature a scrumptious and super healthy yet delicious breakfast dish made with ragi flour called Ragi Roti. Take 2 tablespoons of ghee in a hot pan. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle for 30 seconds. Then add 3 green chilies that are finely chopped and saute for 30 seconds again. To this add 1 onion that's finely chopped and saute on a high flame until it turns pink and translucent. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 handfuls of drumstick leaves that are cleaned and washed. Saute them on a low flame for 5 minutes until it gets cooked and reduces in volume. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. You know, these drumstick leaves with the ragi flour is a marriage made in heaven. Our greens mixture is nice and done, and let it cool down to room temperature. Next, take 2.5 to 3 cups of ragi flour, or also called as finger millet flour, in a large mixing bowl. Add the required salt and the greens mixture. Mix these ingredients until they are well incorporated. Then add water little at a time and mix well until it reaches a slime-like consistency. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. You know, this scrumptious plain roti is rich in protein and antioxidants, high in fiber, and is gluten-free. It's rich in calcium and phosphorus, and so it promotes strong bone health. It's good for diabetes management and also aids weight loss. If you feel the dough is tight, then add a little water right before cooking. Mix it well and then cook. Take a tennis ball sized dough and roll it into a ball shape like so, and place it on a hot iron griddle or iron pan and gently pat it into a medium sized roti like so. The patty should be a little thick, yet not too thick. Now add the ghee along the edges of the roti and cook on a medium flame until it begins to turn pale. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Then flip the roti and cook on the other side on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Rub little ghee on top of the roti so that it doesn't dry up. You can also substitute ghee with any oil of your choice. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Our roti is nice and done. Transfer the roti to a plate and serve it hot with coconut chutney. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.